Hello everyone. So I have brought you another book review. This is a review of a self-help book by Lucy Hay from Hay House. You can heal your life. In this book, as the title suggests itself, the author is telling us ways and methods and directions through which we can heal our life in multiple ways. The book starts with a dedication, obviously, and then there are contents which deals with the points of Lucy's philosophy in life and what she believes and what she wants to tell to the readers. And then, as the session with Lucy goes on, she first of all figures out what is the problem of her client or the reader. Then she tries to help us understand what is the origin of this problem, where does this problem comes from exactly, and she helps us figure out whether this problem actually exists or is it just our assumption or imagination. And then in this way she proceeds with this session, so this feels like a therapy session in a one-on-one setting, where the author is helping you figure out your problem. She also not just tells everything in just theory, she also gives us some practical advices or practical exercises to do. One of the exercises which I enjoyed and loved the most was mirror exercise, mirror affirmations, where you need to say some affirmations or the loving and kind words to yourself, looking in your own eyes in front of the mirror, early in the morning or just before you hit the bed at night. So yes, I think that was a wonderful exercise to boost my confidence. Apart from it, there are multiple other exercises also where you will ask some questions to yourself and then you will explain it, and in this way you will get to know yourself, your thinking, your feelings, your problems better with a great insight. Then after figuring out the problem or the areas where we need to work on our life, she also explains different kind of solutions for different areas. For example, some solutions for our relationships, for our health, for our education success, or the general idea of life itself. So not just that, as it happens in one-on-one setting, you just don't get to meet the therapist, you also get to meet a human being. In the same way, Louise doesn't forget to give an insight into her own life also, because a person in front of us becomes more credible when we know something about him or her also, when we can see that that person which is speaking to us is also human being just like us. So in this way, Louise gives some story of her own life also, how she from a very troublesome childhood, and even young age, she gets to achieve everything in her life with positive attitude and positive affirmations and belief. So in the end, by the end of the book, you get to make a connection, one-on-one human connection with author also, and it somehow gives you confidence in this book. In this way, you start to develop a emotional connection with this book. That's a nice thing. You might want to return to this book again and again. You should, because self-help books are made in that way only. This is the spontaneous this book review of this book. I'm not going into detail, but yes, I think you should read it at least once in a life, in your life, and not just once, because self-help books will not make you transform your life in just one reading or one sitting. You will have to come back to these books, lessons, exercises again and again, and I think it creates great difference. So yes, this is it. I hope you will pick this up pretty soon. I'm happy with it. Bye. So in this way, not just you are able to have a greater insight in your own mind, in your own mind and your thinking pattern. You also get a chance to get a clear path to resolve the problematic patterns in your life.